guys, welcome to another video. Hope you all had a lovely Christmas. I had a really nice relaxing Christmas. It was lovely. So today we're going to be having a look at Krediyoo's new nail art brushes. So these are available on Amazon, on the Krediyoo Amazon store. I shall leave all the links in my description box below, guys. I've also got a discount code as well, which you'll see in the top right hand corner of the screen is NAILSWITHGG10. So, you get 8 brushes in this set. 2 of them are double-ended brushes. So we've got an oval brush, a flat brush, French ombre, detail brush, long liner brush, and then this is one of the double-ended brushes. So you get a liner and a dotting tool. And then this one, you get a medium oval brush and an even smaller dotting tool. So I'm finally going to get my Burberry nails done. So these was going to be my Christmas nails, but I didn't quite get around to doing them in time for Christmas. So I'm going to call them my winter nails. So this design I saw on Instagram. It was created by the amazingly talented Dawn Marie. I think most of you guys know who Dawn Marie is, but I'll leave the link to Dawn Marie's Instagram in my description box below if you want to go over and check her work out. So these are the brushes. They're so pretty. They're like a metallic red. Look at those. They're all branded as well. They feel nice and light. So, like I said, I'm going to do this Burberry set, and I'm going to use as many of the brushes as what I can. Just want to quickly show you as well, before you use these brushes, you want to give them a little clean, just to get rid of that like glue what they put in it, so they don't get jacked up in transit. So they say to clean these in soapy water, but I don't. I use alcohol. So all I do is, I've got some isopropyl alcohol on a lint-free pad. Just wipe over the bristles like that. Then I like to get some base coat and just coat them bristles in base coat, because you shouldn't really use alcohol on your brushes because it can dry the bristles out. So what I like to do is, I just like to get a little bit of base coat like that, and then just give it a little squeeze, and then just kind of spin your brush from left to right, just to get them bristles to a nice point on the tip, like that. Perfect. So let's get started, shall we? So I've popped some white gel paint on my palette. I'm going to run my bristles through that gel paint like that. And then we are just going to paint some Burberry print.
I can't be nothing better than spending my day with you. My life's sunny and better, girl, when I'm with you. She's luminous so bright like a star in the skylines. She got the looks, the good, oh boy, I need her so bad in my life. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo, oh, shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, got nah, 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 nah. Just being your son's alright.
So I'm going to pop that in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. Now I'm using the Madam Glam's black gel paint, and I'm going to paint the 3 stripes going down over that white, and then the 3 stripes going across.
Make you feel better. there's songs for you when you feel down and better. Shawty, I'll be there for you. We'll be like Bonnie and Clyde, how we everybody else, you and me against the world, girl. You'll be my B, I'll be your J, yeah. We'll be so dangerous in love, girl. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo, oh, shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, got nah, 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 nah. Just me and your songs alright, girl. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you.
Cure them for 60 seconds. Now I'm using Madam Glam's Grand Canyon and I'm going to do the red stripes now. And this liner brush, guys, I am finding it really, really nice to use. I can get super thin lines, super straight lines. I'm really, really liking using this brush. I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds and now I'm going to give this middle nail a full coat of Grand Canyon. Then once I've applied all that, I shall cure that in the lamp for 30 seconds and then off camera I did give that a coat of matte top coat as well. So this is Madam Glam's Naked Guy and I'm going to use this to do the sweater print on the middle nail and the thumbnail. I was trying to find the closest gel polish what I had to that Born Pretty extension gel what I've used, and this was the closest one that I had, and actually it was a really, really good match. Perfect, in fact. I'm doing this in sections, I just find it easier in case I make a mistake. So I've done the 2 lines going down first. I've not cured that gel polish, and now I'm sprinkling clear acrylic powder into it, and that's what gives it that kind of embossed look. And now I'm doing the sweater print going down the middle of those 2 lines. And then again, I'm not going to cure that gel polish, I'm going to sprinkle some clear acrylic powder into that, and then I shall pop them in the lamp and I'll give them a double cure, guys, for 60 seconds just to make sure that gel polish cures through that acrylic powder. And for this sweater print pattern, I'm using the little detailer brush, and again, a really, really nice brush to use. Now I'm doing the sweater print on the thumbnail, and this one's going to be you can see like a diagonal. Ooh, look at this thumbnail. It's my favourite nail of all. I love it. Now I'm going to be sticking a couple of 3D snowflake stickers on the top part of that thumbnail, and that'll be that nail done. Then on this pinky nail I'm going to stick this little Burberry sticker just on the edge of that nail. Now onto the middle nail I'm going to be sticking a snowflake charm just there. So I'm attaching that with some clear polygel because it's quite a big charm. It is curved on the back, but it is still quite a big charm, so I just find using polygel is the best way to stick charms down. And I've just used that medium oval brush just to flatten that polygel out around the edges. And now I'm going to stick the snowflake charm into that and give that a cure for 60 seconds, and that will hold that all in place. Now I'm just sticking a couple of snowflake stickers over the ice parts of the ring finger and the pointer fingernail. And now they're all ready for top coat, guys. So this is the Madam Glam Snow White Shiny Top Coat. I'm going to give the pinky nail a coat of that. The ice nails have already had a shiny top coat over the top, but where the Burberry print is on those 2 nails, I want to go over the Burberry print with the velvet matte top coat. So there we are, guys. That is them all finished. What do you think? I really like them. A few things I would have done differently. I would have redone this pointer fingernail and done the ice bit first because I'm not happy with that ice. You can see it's a little bit cloudy and it's crap. This one turned out nice though, a really nice clear ice nail. And I would have done the Burberry print a little bit bigger so the lines didn't have to be so thin. But other than that, I really, really like them. I think they're really, really pretty. Let's just give them a little bit of cuticle oil. Because as you can see, my cuticles have been hammered. I've really made a mess of them this time, guys. Whenever you're doing your cuticle work, don't rush it like I did. Because, yeah, you make a pig's ear of your cuticles and they look horrible. There we go. Look at those. Yeah, I am. I'm really, really happy with those. And I love this nude Born Pretty solid extension gel as well. It's a really, really nice colour. It worked perfect for these, didn't it? Then that's the thumbnail. So, everything that I've used today, guys, I'm going to leave listed in my description box below. Do you know what? Another thing as well, I just want to say, I only used a couple of these brushes. I was hoping to use a lot more, but I forgot to get them out to apply my extension gel. So I'm a bit mad that I didn't get to try some of these. But as far as this one, and this one goes, I absolutely love them. I think this is going to make an amazing cleanup brush. This liner brush, I could not fault it. I've got some really, well, you can see how super thin those lines are. Super, super, super thin. Yeah, I really enjoyed using them. I can't wait to use the rest of the brushes now. Like I said, I shall leave everything that I've used today, guys, in my description box below, along with any discount codes that I've got. I really hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you're not already. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.